Hello everyone, my name is Miss Schneider, and this is a continuation of my Elements of Art informational series. In this episode, we will be discussing the element of color. Please follow along in the handout given and fill in the areas when appropriate. The central focus for this lesson will be in accordance to Washington State Grade Level Expectation 1.1.6 for high school proficiency. This states that students will learn to create, analyze, and evaluate the visual art of color. Specifically, we will be looking at primary, secondary, tertiary colors, and color combinations. The lesson goal or lesson target for this video is being able to list every color on the color wheel. We also want to identify how colors are formed and created. Finally, students should be able to explain and identify several color combinations. The first set of colors we will be looking at are primary colors. These are three pigment colors that cannot be mixed or formed by any combination of the other colors. All other colors are derived from these three hues, hence the reason they are called primary colors. Can you list the three primary colors? These three colors are red, yellow, and blue. The next color set we will be looking at are secondary colors. These are formed by mixing the primary colors. If we mix red and yellow, what color will we get? Orange. If we mix yellow and blue, what color will we get? Green. If we mix blue and red, what color will we get? Purple. The three secondary colors are orange, green, and purple. The last color set we will be looking at is tertiary colors. Tertiary colors are formed by mixing a primary and a secondary color. Whenever we are naming a tertiary color, list the primary color first, then the secondary. Knowing this fact, what two colors can be formed from this color blending? Red-purple and red-orange. What colors can be formed from this color blending? Yellow-green and yellow-orange. What colors can be formed from this color blending? Blue-purple and blue-green. In total, we have 12 different colors on the color wheel. 3 primary, which you can see represented by the circles, 3 secondary, which you can see represented by the squares, and 6 tertiary, which you can see represented by triangles. This next part of the video, I will be introducing color combinations. Now that we know the base colors, it is important to learn other aspects of the color wheel. Perhaps some of you noticed the color wheel does not include black or white. That is because black and white are not colors, but rather tints and shades. By using black and white, we can mix a variety of hues, giving us the achromatic scale. Achromatic means to be free from color. Many of you may have heard this called grayscale or black and white. If we apply this achromatic scale to a color from the color wheel, we create a series of hues that are called monochromatic. This is one color that is made up of a base where a series of tints, tones, and shades have been applied. A tint is classified as white being added to the base color. A shade is when you add black to the base color. Finally, a tone is adding gray to the base color. The final part of this video, I will be introducing 5 color combinations or color harmonies. The first, and probably the most popular, are complementary colors. This is a color combination where you pick one color and use it with the color opposite of the original on the color wheel. Complementary colors play off of each other and really make the other pop or appear more vibrant. This is why many sports teams use complementary colors. The combination I chose for this exercise is orange and blue, as seen in the Boise State football logo. The next color combination I want to talk about is split complementary. A split complementary set of colors are made up of 3 colors. Pick one base color, and then 2 on the outside of its complementary partner. In the example shown, I picked purple, yellow-orange, and yellow-green. Another color combination is called analogous. Analogous is very appealing to the eye because it is a series of colors on the same side of the color wheel. These could be primary, secondary, or tertiary. For this example, I chose 1 primary and 2 tertiary colors: yellow, yellow-green, and yellow-orange. The next color combination that can be found on the color wheel is called a clash. A clash is similar to split complementary, but instead of using 3 colors for the harmonious kind of look, you pick 1 base color and 1 of the colors next to its complement. For example, if I chose red-purple, I could pair it with a yellow or a green to get a clash color combination. The final color combination I want to tell you guys about is neutral color. A neutral color is created by mixing complementary colors. Neutrals are used in creating earthy or flesh-colored tones. In conclusion, today we have learned all the colors on the color wheel, achromatic and monochromatic color sets, and finally a few color combinations. Thank you for listening.